yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, and I'm in the back corner of the garage. All right. Got another video.
Yep.
All right, so I just got another item that I ordered for my truck. So I got some upgraded puddle lights. I replaced them like 2 years ago. They're just not bright enough. They are brighter than the factory ones though. I found these on Amazon. But yeah, this is what it look like.
Oh, it looks weird.
Yeah.
But
look at all those LED lights in there though. I'm gonna put them on the truck. All right, y'all. I got my hoodie on. I'm in the garage. It's a little cold up in here. I was gonna move my wife's car, but it's raining with snow mix and all that. I'm not trying to get the garage all wet and her car dirty and all of that mess. I'm about to do this right here. So we are a little close. We got enough room to get it done though. But I just want to show y'all. It's old, dirty. My whole truck is dirty, to be honest, man. Look at this. You know, we have a couple nice days. I wash it and then next day. Anyway. But yeah, that's another look at them. And then I'm about to hit the key real quick. I'm gonna grab my keys real quick so I can get you at a good angle. There you go. Boom. Look at that. So see, you can barely see it for real. Let me turn these lights off real quick. I'm gonna show y'all again. If we go to the other side, kind of see it. And look, that's really all we be getting for real. Cause it don't be lighting up. It don't be lighting up the ground or nothing like that. All right, y'all. Look at this. Oh, it's not all the way in yet, but it's hooked up. Look how bright that is. The camera can't even handle it, boy. Is that it is a little dark right here because my battery's about to die. But boom, he snapped in. He ready to go. I'll pop that on in a minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, and I'm in the back corner of the garage. So you can see it without being so close up. But yeah, I like these lights. I'm gonna hit it again. Hey. Yeah, they bright, definitely. Yep, so I'm gonna do another video, you know, with my truck cleaned up and everything. So then you can get a better idea of what these lights look like. Other than that, I'm up out of here. Y'all be cool. Peace.